Friday, the 16th of February, 2024.
Okay, are you happy, Gian? Your vacation, Cambridge? You happy? Yes? Oh, tara na, Gian. Si Mami busy sa pagdodota. Nagdodota siya. Let's go now, Gian. This is our hotel, Ibis Cambridge Hotel. And that's the train station. It's just near.
Hi.
We're in a canal. Parang yung pinangba natin sa sakyan ni sinangil niya din.
One, two, three. Nagpipidyo ako.
Hindi niya, sige. Tingin. Dada.
Di.
Diba?
We are on a boat tour. We are here at Cambridge University. Wag kami medyo maingay. Meron ding ano din.
Hey, hi guys, my name is Samuel. Could be your tour guide today. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them. We passed by a couple of colleges at Cambridge University. The first one's going to be appearing over my left. This college here is of course Darwin College, and Darwin is the newest college here in Cambridge, founded in 1964.
Mas biglang umulan mo.
Tignan mo, Daddy.
Yeah, ha? Sarang mo dyan. Diba? Gandang sumakay. Hawakan mo ito, no? Picture lang ko lang.
Mahulog yung phone mo, Daddy, ha?
Mahulog yan, anak. Yung pan niya. Force niya.
Tingnan mo, Mama, tingnan mo. Yan o, mga da.
Parang nasa tayo. Nasa Italy.
Hindi, diba sa Pilipinas meron din dito?
Oo, sa pa.
Natatakot lang ako.
Gundula. Ay, ganda. Yan. Sure tayo. Hawakan mo pa. Bilis.
So the current's pretty strong, it's just going to whack it into the water. Not much we can do about it, I'll be honest.
Naka-video?
May red ba? Pag may red.
Pag may red, ano?
May video.
Nagbibidyo pag nag-red?
Oo. Pag nag-on. Yan na.
Yes, we're going to be arriving over at Queen's College, guys. The brown building over my right, President's Lodge, is the oldest building here on the entire river.
Oh, okay.
It's nearly 600 years old, nearly as old as me. And of course, cutting across it is the mathematical bridge.
Mathematical
This bridge right here is named mathematical. It's all planks great. Most wooden bridges curve their planks through. This bridge is
Video mo.
Nagbibidyo nga ako.
Mathematical bridge. Diyan mo, nakakain ko lahat sila.
Ron's got a Polish chauffeur now.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe just got there.
Oh, has he lost his pole? Oh, yeah, Henry's lost his pole.
Bakit hindi siya nanonood?
Yung video mo mamakan lang mo.
Guys, keep your eyes peeled for Henry's pole. I've got no idea where it is.
G, daddy, tingin ka muna, oh. G, iwan ka pa. Nabibidyo ka.
Oh, I can.
Only around this current for him.
Yeah.
It's too much.
Anong tawag to? Ano? Asan yung papel do? Hawak mo? Kinuha na?
Wala sa akin.
Kasi niya, basta na.
So guys, we're going to be rapping over at King's College now.
Nilalagay ko kasi anong title.
King's is the most famous here in
Hindi ko alam kung
Cambridge,
anong tawag
as it has
dito.
the
Nandito
second
sa loob
largest
eh.
chapel
Tingnan ko
in the
lang kung
entire
anong
world.
tour. Ano po so?
Yeah, I think these guys will get the pole. That is crazy.
Basahin ko lang.
Yeah, they're going to get it for him.
Anong tawag dito?
Can we see
Tawag?
it yet?
River
Just right
tour.
there on my left. Yeah, for so long it was like blending into the river. Oh, it's not a good day for the Granta boys. Not a good day at all.
May tawag sila dito, daddy. Yung sa internet.
River tour nilagay ko. Ano yung picture? Ay, ganda niya. Ay, ganda niya. Parang sa...
Look how far he's went though without the pole. He lost that queen. Both operates.
Yan, video.
You guys can't get married inside the chapel, where every wedding ceremony would cost a little over 500.
Hindi na ano.
Mate, I saw you floated, you went so far.
Jen, video mo. Hawakan mo. Kaya hawak mo, Jen. Hawak mo.
Yung mga pumapapag sa bahay.
Located at Clare College, and Clare is the second oldest college in Cambridge, founded in 1326. Was he still doing the tour while he was floating there?
Yeah, it was actually. I was pretending like it was all right. You know, I didn't crash into anyone.
Yeah, that's fair
I had
enough.
no crashes.
Yeah, that's fair enough.
So this, to my right hand side of here, we
I'll let
have
Henry do the jump.
best Scottish punter on the river.
I thought he was
He
going
is
to talk
the
about.
only Scottish punter on the river.
And we have Trinity College right here as well.
It's actually in the Guinness Book of Life.
Happy?
Henry's in the Guinness Book of World Records. So they came down and they timed him. It turns out he's the fastest punter in the entire world. He could do this entire tour in 11 minutes.
Ay, nakita niya yung kanya, blackheads.
Then the tour would go. This is Angwith, thank you very much. We stole from the 12
Baka makon, balance na, balance.
Fun fact about King Henry
Baka
VIII,
makukuha ng
he
crocodile.
had so many ulcers on his legs that when he passed away he decomposed a lot quicker than normal people would. They said that when they were carrying his coffin down, it was so heavy and that his corpse exploded on the inside and started leaking on the people carrying the corpse.
Josh, you missed it. Josh, you missed it. Oh, you should have seen how I lost the pole though. It was just like, no. Years that I've lost the pole without getting it stuck in the ground.
I've dropped mine a couple of times by accident.
But I've yeah, don't worry, I'll turn this way.
Yung picture mo, Jo.
Na-picture ako.
Oh, I don't think you're going to turn that way enough.
Gian,
So.
ganun mo na konti yung mukha.
Oh wait, no, you did. Oh well, I need to commit to it now, don't I? Yeah, you do.
Dati, maano yung mukha mo? Yung ko dahil.
Well, that's space for you, Sam.
Just come down.
Is there a mascot for Cambridge, like an animal mascot?
There's mascot, well, there's animals for every college, but I wouldn't say there's a mascot for Cambridge.
Sabi niya pala, anak, itong bahay ni Vampirina. Sabi niya pala. Ano? Ano bang sumakay ng boat? Ano bang sumakay ng boat? You're okay?
Oh no, that was not good.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Ang ganda yun, no?
Oh,
Mapicture
there we go.
mo.
Turn around just a little bit.
Ako na nga? Ako na! Wait, nag-waiting sa akin. G, maano na naman yan, ha? Sige na, magbibideo ako eh.
Hindi na siya.
Yeah, we're going to be heading back. We. That's it.
Tapos na.
Little bummed in her, you know. Yeah.
Wait, pakita mo.
So guys, the original Bridge of Versailles is over in Venice. Over there, prisoners used to cross the bridge for getting executed to its
G,
side.
hindi ko na nakunan sa ng video.
Queen Victoria said that she saw that bridge in Venice, and she said it looked identical to the one right in front of us, which named this bridge here the Bridge of Sighs. The ironic part is Queen Victoria never went to Venice in her entire life, so she's lying. That's why we call this bridge right here the Bridge of Sighs.
Yun naman ang connection nila ng university nila. Bridge G yan.
G.
Ba't hindi na tayo umiikot? Yung ba umiikot pa? Diba?
Sino ko yung oras na?
Tinamad na siya. Yung iba pumunta pa doon eh.
Ikaw kulang ka ng abs. Asa na mo? Ang galing mo. Sabi na ako.
Nandito pala sila kanina, oh. Yung sa ano.
Yung.
Ay, hindi tayo picture dito, oh. Sayang, kanina.
Doon sa harap. Mahulog ka, Gian.
Dahil pala, picture tayo kanina sa baka. Kaso baka hingan tayo dito. Ano kaya? Ito, oh. Picture tayo dito, oh. Sono i quattro, prima che esco un peccato che faccia buio.
Ito.
Kayu.
Where you want this one?
Oh, may mga tao nga doon pumunta. Oh, may church dyan, oh. Oh, yan, ang ganda, oh. Jo. Picture tayo doon. Gusto niya? Ay, parang nakita ko to sa libro. Ito, oh. Ito. Halika, picture tayo dito.
Kasi sayang, hindi naman tayo nagpunta dito. Nakakaya tayo.
Meron pa doon, oh. Pupunta natin, oh. Picture muna tayo dyan, oh.
Parang ang dami kayo. Umiyak ka, tapos kailangan luhain. Once I start,
Close siya, oh.
We don't want.
Okay sana diyan, oh, kung hindi kayo naubo ni mami mo, di makakain ka ng ice cream. So, kasi ang tigas panainom ka ng iced tea yan. Yan, pero hindi niya ma-enjoy ang pagpapamasyal. Kailangan natin kunan na. Hindi, walang boses to. Lalagyan ko ng background na music para maririnig. Yan, picture tayo dyan. Ang ganda. Diyan nahulog yung kuwan. Asan na?
Hindi ba suitable sa lahat ng tao?
Dito na. Nasa city na tayo. Hot milkshake? Ay, Popeyes. Popeyes na lang tayo. Sarap dun. Sa Amerika lang Popeyes, ha. May Popeyes dito. Sarap doon. Chicken dun.
Meron preta medyo sa baba ng hotel dito.
Pwede tayong mag-uwi na. Oh, may Taco Bell. Anak, kahit mag-uwi tayo, bago kuhan.
Long press the same button to
remembering that, because it might help you to avoid that mistake.